Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get early access to Axiom Trade. It's a new platform. It's great. It's brilliant. I personally love it. It's very similar to BullX Neo. So let's get right into it. So firstly, go to the link in the description. It's axiom.trade/@instant. I'm going to highlight it for you. All right. So once you go to this link, it's going to tell you to sign up. So there are three ways you can sign up. You can either enter your email, you can continue with Google, or you can also connect your Phantom wallet. What I would suggest is to just enter your email here. And if it already doesn't say instant here, please type that before you sign up. So next, you're going to want to go to the Pulse page right here. So you can see how similar it looks to BullX Neo. You have all the new tokens here. You've got the final stretch tokens here, which are known as about to graduate on BullX. These are the migrated tokens, which are known as graduated on BullX. So very similar. It just has a lot more features. As you can see, it shows the top 10 holders, the dev holding, snipers holding, insiders holding, and even bundle holding. So that's pretty neat. You can even go here to quick buy. You can write one or anything you want. There are settings here. You've got three little presets here: preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. You can set these to whatever you want. This is the slippage, this is priority, this is bribe. Even for the sell settings, you can do that as well. Next, let's go to one of the tokens. Let's go to Mr. Beast, and you'll see advanced trading strategy here. You could basically add take profit, stop loss, dev sell, migration. Then there's trades, positions, orders, holders. You can see the holders here. You can see this is 185K and 74%. And these are the top traders over here and the dev tokens. So yeah, that's pretty neat, I would say. Really useful features. Once you get into it, you'll realize how better this is as compared to BullX Neo. There are also filters here, 1, 2, 3, for all three sections. We can go here. So there's the market cap, there's bundle percentage, and so on. You can just apply all here. You don't need to go to each section separately. You can just switch from here. So that's another good feature. We have already covered this in another video, so you can go ahead and watch that as well. So yeah, that was pretty much it. That was a quick summary of what this platform is about. It's very useful. It's very similar to BullX Neo, just a more enhanced version, you could say. And there's another video that I did. It's much more detailed. It goes through a lot more settings, tips, and tricks. So you can go ahead and watch that. For now, this will be it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I read everything, so do that. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.